Good morning, Year 3 and 4. So this is your arithmetic lesson for Monday, and I'm going to walk you through our challenge side focus and then also a small change to the right hand side. So as you can see from the screen, the challenge side focus this week is problem solving. Now the challenge side will be a mixture of different elements of maths, ranging from place value to multiplication and division, addition, subtraction, and a bit of measurement too. Now what we're going to really focus on is using that UDC method. So underline, draw and calculate to help us figure out the answer to the question. Now some of them I'm going to highlight the fact that there are 2 steps to the problem, and then on the right hand side you'll see that we still have 4 questions. One is going to be addition, one is subtraction, one is division, one is multiplication. So I'm expecting everyone to do the right hand side, and then I know you can all do the left hand side with me this morning and then attempt it one more time by yourself. Okay, so I'm just going to walk through this side this morning and then I'm going to show the answers to these ones briefly afterwards. Okay, so let's have a look at this one then. So I sew 12 buttons onto my cardigan, 7 fall off, I sew another 4 on. So let's underline, starting with the U section of UDC. So I sew 12 buttons on, so that's what we start with. 7 fall off, and I sew another 4 on, because I think 4 on is really important here. So the number we start with is 12, so I'm going to draw myself a picture. I draw 12 buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I always double check that I've counted out the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Brilliant. So that's what we start with. Then the next piece of information is that 7 fall off. Okay, so I could draw more of a picture where I'm cancelling 7 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's my 7 falling off. They've been cancelled out because they're no longer on my cardigan. But then I sew another 4 on. So I'm going to show you that in a different colour because I find that helps me. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what's my calculation going to look like for this? I started with 12. So I've drawn a picture to help myself, 12. Then what did I do with the 7? Did I add or take away? Pause the video now and have a think about what symbol is going to be in here. Well done. Take away. So 12 take away 7 first. Gave us what? Let's answer that one. 12 take away 7. So I took 7 away here. How many were left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Okay, but this wasn't just a one-step problem, there was another step to it. We had this green step here. So then what was left over was 5. So it was 5. Then what? What did we do? Did we take another 4 off our cardigan or did we add 4? Brilliant, we added 4. And I'll leave you to have the answer there. Okay, so can you see how we did our underline, we drew, and then we calculated using our number sentences? So that was our calculation part of it. And there was 2 steps to our calculation part today. So pause the video now, have a go at drawing this down, underline, draw, calculate, and then I'm going to go through the answers for these. So pause the video now, I'm about to give out the answers for the right hand side. Okay, and here are the answers for the right hand side then. So 675, add 27, gave us 702. There was some nice exchanging going on in here. 5,990, take away 7, gave us 5,983. 10 divided by 1 gave us 10. 3 times 3 equals 9. So make sure you've shown your working out here, please. I expect that these 2 here would need to be moved into the column addition and column subtraction. Enjoy the rest of your work today. Thank you for joining me this morning.